How to fix Rockstar Games launcher failed to initialize. I'm gonna show you two fixes. For the first one, open up your computer search and you want to search for virus and threat protection. Right here you will see virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down until you see exclusions and you will select add or remove exclusion. Click on yes, and once this screen loads you will then click on add an exclusion. Then you want to select folder, and right here you will go to your C drive, program files, and just find Rockstar Games. Here you will see Rockstar Games, select the folder and click on select folder. That's going to be the first fix. For the second fix, we will open up our computer search again and search for services. Click on services. Now here you want to find P, so you will just type P and search for Program Compatibility Assistant Service. Double click on it. In here, startup type, make sure this is changed to automatic. Click on apply, click on OK, restart your PC and you will no longer have this issue. Leave a like, sub, I'll see you next time.